Okay, ladies and gentlemen, for today's craft, you're going to need some cardboard, some flowers, and a toilet paper roll. So, let's get started. Okay, I went online and I pulled up a bunny and then I tried to copy it and I cut it out. And then I'm just going to trace it out on the cardboard. And you could just trace it out on the cardboard to begin with. And I took my scissors and got it cut out. And you see that I have a bunch of these little flowers. And so I'm just going to cut a bunch of them off to have them ready to the side. And load up my cardboard with some glue. And initially, I just put this thin-ish coat. But afterward, I started putting it a little thicker. And the drawback, the pro to it is that the flowers stick quickly when you have more glue. But the con to that is that it takes forever to dry, so I had to actually sit my bunny in front of a fan to get him to dry. So I'm just bending down. When you cut off your flowers, mine are like triple layered. They have the little stamen in the middle plus 2 layers. So if you cut the wire off right at the flower, then you're gonna have to glue each layer. So I left a little of the metal piece sticking out and then I folded it over before I glued it down. And I saved all those little white stems because I plan on using them for whiskers on another Easter project. So you're going to see those in a video coming up. Now, while I'm doing this, you can see with all the glue on there and me using white flowers, I can't really tell if there's any blank spots until it dries. But as it turns out, a little bit of the brown shows through kind of generally across the rabbit. I'm just putting my Kindle on it to weigh it down right here to keep the flowers in good contact with the glue. And these are those little wires I'm going to save for some whiskers. Now, it's all dry, and I have some white rope, but here's another thing. Right here, I had some thick brown twine that I could have used, and that would have given it some contrast. So, you probably could use some pipe cleaners if you don't have any rope or twine. Especially if you're making a colorful bunny, you could use pipe cleaners that are the same color or a contrasting color. But I had the rope, so that's what I'm using. Alright, that ear's a little floppy, so I tried to put some rope across there to see if I can fix it. We'll see how that works out when it dries. And then I just have this little 3-leaf chunk that was left over in my flower section, so I'm making it kind of like a little collar because he's a domesticated rabbit. And I didn't plan for a little tail, a little cotton tail, so that's also something that you could do. its little booty does look a little naked without a tail. And I'm just going to glue that toilet paper roll and it's done. Okay guys, here she is. And her ear's a little floppy, but I don't really care. I mean, I tried to fix it with a piece of rope glued across there, but really, what does it matter? I mean, it's just gonna be sitting. And the toilet paper roll works perfect. It makes it sit up. I'll take a picture of her sitting up, but some of the brown is showing through. I don't really care about that either. I could have, you know, got a couple more flowers and put them on it, but I think it looks fine. So that's it for today, and I'll see you on the next Easter craft because I'm on a roll with Easter. Bye!